Hey there, my name is Sarah Smith. I'm an artist with SEINT Beauty, and I want to show you a tutorial today featuring some stunning eyeshadows and a new collection SEINT has available for the month of November while supplies last, and it is the Forever Collection 2021. Combining our love for makeup and our passion for fostering, we have a gorgeous collection that is going to be available while supplies last. And I told you it's called the Forever Collection 2021. It comes in this gorgeous palette 4, so this is one of our magnetic compacts. And then you're going to have a home for your 6 gorgeous eyeshadows that come in that. While supplies last, we're also going to have a free gift included with that. So check out this tutorial. I'm going to show you how easy you can create this eyeshadow look featuring 5 of these 6 eyeshadows in the Forever Collection 2021. Now the eyeshadows in this Forever Collection are so gorgeous. I am so excited about them. They are some of my favorites out of all 80 plus eyeshadows we have. So there's a really good combination of some shimmers and some matte colors in the Forever Collection. Honestly, I think you could get away with a couple of these by themselves because they're such beautiful colors. I'm just gonna show you a fun look today. I typically stick to 3 or 4 eyeshadow colors in a look, but I'm gonna use 5 colors today. So I am first gonna go into this color right here. So this beautiful color is Mama. It is a beautiful soft mauve that's matte. And I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow brush. So you'll wanna use a good brush. That way you're really getting your colors distributed evenly and gorgeous on your eyelid. So if you don't have SEINT's eyeshadow brush, trust me, you need it. It's double-ended and it is the best of the best. I've tried a ton of eyeshadow brushes. You need this one right here. So I'm gonna take the fluffy end of my eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go into Mama right there. I'm gonna pick up that gorgeous mauve with the fluffy end, and you'll wanna make sure you tap any excess product off. That way you don't get too much fallout right here in this region. And I'm just gonna start applying that gorgeous color all the way up. So you'll wanna apply that color evenly like a windshield wiper motion. And if you can, keep your eyelid open. That way the color is really up there. So if you're somebody who has a hooded eyelid and the top of your eyelid is resting on the bottom, getting that color, that base color all the way up really helps so that when your eyes are open, you can actually see those colors right there. So that was Mama. Honestly, another really good base color in this collection is Pup. So I love Pup. We'll just show you what it looks like. You could put it on top if you wanted or use it as a base. So Pup is just, I would describe it as a soft brown with a little bit of pink in it. So I do like to take my base color and just throw a little bit on the bottom right there to complete that look. I just switched ends of the eyeshadow brush to the smaller end. So speaking of the smaller end, I'm gonna pick up my darkest color in this collection, which is this deep brown matte Trust. So Trust, I love Trust. It's a good one if you want to fill your brows and frame them for your eyes. So I'm gonna pick up Trust with the smaller, dense end of my eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna focus that dark color right here on the outer corner. I'm not gonna put too much Trust on because I'm not really going for a really, really dark eye look today. That's the fun in these colors, is that you can pick up as much as you want so you can create the eyeshadow look that you're looking for. So I like to focus whenever I'm doing an eyeshadow look, whatever darkest color I'm using, that's what's going on the outer corner. And you can picture it like a backwards 7 or a V. I bring it softly down under here for just a little bit more dimension. Speaking of dimension, I'm gonna build a little bit more to this dimensional look I'm doing. So I have Trust there. You can see I have it pretty soft on there. I'm gonna go into this darkest of the matte pinks that are in this collection. This is Lullaby, and I'm just gonna pick up Lullaby with the same end of that brush, and I'm going to just focus Lullaby on the outer corner. So it's kind of like I have it mixed in a little bit with Trust. And these pinks and browns in this collection really bring out my hazel eyes. If you wanted to, you could bring that color a little bit up here and create more of a false crease. I don't really have that going on over here, so I don't want to do that too much so they look symmetrical. So just right there, outer corner, and that was Lullaby. Now I'm gonna put my brush down and I'm gonna use my finger for the next part. One of my absolute favorite colors of Saints is You Complete Me. If you do not have You Complete Me, it's going to complete you, I promise you. So it is a rose gold shimmer. It's gorgeous. This is a beautiful color by itself. This is also really pretty with a bunch of different eyeshadows we have. So I'm gonna take You Complete Me. I'm gonna close my eye a little bit and I'm gonna just pack You Complete Me on the center of my lid and then fan any extra out right here. So I'm really just focusing You Complete Me on the center of my lid. And You Complete Me is just this beautiful soft shimmer. It is beautiful with blue eyes, with hazel eyes, and it's even gorgeous with brown eyes. So I'm gonna keep using my finger, and I use my finger in this part when I pack any shimmers on my lid. That way I can really get that color on there and it stays. You could use your brush if you want. I definitely don't use my finger for the first 2 to 3 colors that I did on here, but when I'm doing a shimmer in the center lid or the inner corner, I often use my finger. So I'm gonna go into my lightest shimmer in here. This is Sis. It's a newer shade that we have. It's a soft pink shimmer. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna focus Sis right on the inner corner right here. You can see I'm fanning it up just a little because I really like this color and I want that color to be seen right there. So you can see these colors are just made to complete one another. I love them. You can have so much fun with them. I'll throw a little bit of eyeliner and mascara so we have the same look going on. I do keep my eyeliner very light on the bottom. I don't want to look like a tired raccoon. So I'm going to be a little bit softer when I do that. And that is my completed look showing you the Forever Collection 2021 from SEINT. So when you get this collection, you are going to get palette 4 in silver. So that's this compact from SEINT. All of our compacts are magnetic so that you pop your tins of makeup in that. And then you're gonna get these 6 eyeshadows. If for some reason you find this tutorial and the Forever Collection is no longer available, no worries. These individual eyeshadows from SEINT will be available on the website. You just go to eyeshadows and then you'll find categories from shimmer, glitter, cream, and matte. And so those individual eyeshadows, this one right here is Trust, that deep brown matte. This one is Pup, P-U-P. This is Sis, a light pink shimmer, S-I-S. This is Lullaby, and then that's like a matte, beautiful mauve, a little bit richer in tone. This is Mama, M-A-M-A. It's a softer mauve that's a matte color. And then the final one, my favorite one, this rose gold shimmer, is You Complete Me. So if you are watching this tutorial and the Forever Collection 2021 is still available on the website, please know that there is a free gift involved that includes a Love is Never Wasted hat. And so SEINT's nonprofit organization Love is Never Wasted brings awareness to foster children and just wants to diminish the often negativity that comes with that subject and bring more awareness and help inspire families to possibly consider fostering children. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you see how pretty these colors are. Such a good deal. The Forever Collection 2021 retails for $75, free shipping. This is only available in the US while supplies last. So we do ship product to Canada and the US. So this is just going to be a US product collection available while supplies last. You won't want to waste any time and jump on it while you can, and so that you can get that palette that comes with it and the free gift.